Good morning, children. Let us start with our science class. Yes, class 4? Okay. Now, before I start it, I want to remind you that when I first did this chapter, I had told you to help your parents, be with your parents, your grandparents, and also your brothers and sisters during this lockdown period when you are totally at home. Have you done it? I had asked you to make a list of whatever you are doing with them. You will make a list and show it to me. I hope you are doing it. Now I will give you another chance of letting us know as to what you are exactly doing. What you have to do is, like every day I will give you some some topics which you can work on if you feel like, if you like that that field is interesting for you, or if you feel no, I do not want to do this, leave it, do something else which I will again tell you. Today I'm giving you a hint of a topic that you can do. Take a cardboard, on it you place a white sheet of paper. You have your old drawing books, from there, drawing copies, from there you can take a white sheet of paper, paste it on it, do a nice drawing, beautiful drawing on it. First, you will not use color to color this drawing that you have done. You will use the cereals and the pulses, paste it on those places and do the coloring. Alright, we have the dals of different colors starting from green, yellow, orange, all different colors we have. Make use of them. We have rices of white color, wheat. If you have the whole wheat, you will find that is brown in color. So you can make, and you think out many more things which you can make use of, like rajma and all these things, and you paste them on the empty spaces and complete the drawing without coloring. But maybe at certain places you need to color, like you cannot color the sky blue. We do not have anything blue around us, so there you can put the blue color. In this way you can make a drawing which you keep it very nicely, and later on when the shops are open you can also frame it. While you are doing this drawing, ask your parents to take a snap of yours, or they can also make a video while you are doing the work. Send it to your friends, to your relatives. See, all of them will love it. And at the same time, you can send it to the school mail ID. If it is liked by us, you can also win a prize. So, think on it, start doing different creative things, and I will also give you hints to different creative things which you can really do with the help of your parents. Take the help of your parents, but your parents will do nothing for you, only help you. Like they will give the dals to you, they will tell that okay, do a drawing of this type, but everything you will do so that you can utilize your off time and not get bored during this lockdown period. Okay, because only studies is not, we do not like, isn't it so? So you can utilize your time, extra times, in this way. Now let us come back to studies. This is required too. Okay, today we will do some unusual plants. Unusual plants means plants we know to be green in color, but these plants, they are not green in color. Which types of plants are not green in color? The mushrooms, the fungi, the molds, all these are not green in color. Now, if they are not green in color, how do they get food? This question will rise in our mind, because the green chlorophyll helps to make food, you know. Now, they get their food from the dead and decaying plants and animals. You will find that usually the mushrooms, the molds, they grow in damp, decaying places. The reason being, they collect their food from there. All right. So, you in the uh, rainy season, when every place is moist, if you keep the bread for a very long time, you will find greenish, purplish, bluish things have arisen from it, and those are fungi. They are called the bread mold. All of you have seen mushrooms. Mushrooms are of different colors, mainly white, that we see around us, and we eat it also. So, but they also grow in places where they can take their food from there. They do not make their own food. Some fungi, they also grow on the tree trunks and branches of trees. We will continue this in the next class, and again in the next class I will give you some more ideas of what you can do other than studying. Thank you, children.